Good morning guys, in front of me is iPhone and let me show you how to manage notification settings. So at first open the settings, now reach notifications and just go through all the setups. So at first you can manage your display, so choose the option that you want to have it displayed and then you can activate or deactivate obviously scheduled summary. I would like to activate it. You can set it up later. And then you can activate screen sharing here. So here, smoothly by using the switcher, you can activate it and then it will be active. So I've just allowed notifications while using SharePlay or screen mirroring. Then I deactivated it. Here you can also manage Siri announced notifications. So tap on here. And then you can customize it for every app of yours separately, or you can activate it here at the top of the list. You can also switch it off if you want. Then you also can turn on reply without confirmation. So when acting on a notification that supports replies, Siri will send a reply without first reading back the message. So this is it. And then you can change the notification style for every app of yours. So let me choose, for example, Amazon, and the same options are for every app that you have. So at first you can switch off notification for a particular app, then you can activate or deactivate time-sensitive notifications. Then you can personalize the alerts for this particular app. Select the banner style, activate or deactivate sound and badges. You can hide or show previews, and also you can activate grouping. So here you can switch it off. You can group it by app, or it can be grouped automatically. So and then if you'll tap here on Amazon notification settings, you will be able to reach a particular app of yours and then do it on app side. So that's it. That will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.